Everyone, I am Karavanya from EC 1 section in VVITA University. My roll number is 2025 DECBT 10038. I want to give a seminar on when you freeze during a class presentation, understanding and overcoming the fear of public speaking, self-doubt and anxiety, judgment, and overthinking about what others think.
The moment. Understanding and overcoming the fear of public speaking, self doubt, and the anxiety of judgment. The freeze moment. What happens when you blank out? Physical response. Anxiety triggers the brain's fight or flight response, causing physical symptoms like trembling, dry mouth, racing heart, and your mind going completely blank. Perception gap. Freezing feels much worse to the speaker than it looks to the audience. What feels like an eternity to you is often perceived as a thoughtful pause by others. Common reality. Many students experience sudden mental blocks when called on unexpectedly, leading to embarrassment and self doubt. You are not alone in this experience. The root cause self doubt and fear of judgment, fear of mistakes. The fear of sounding stupid or making mistakes fuels harsh self criticism and mounting anxiety. This internal voice can be more critical than any audience member. The spotlight effect. And the next one, the spotlight effect. This is also causes the self doubt or fear and fear. We dramatically overestimate how much others notice our flaws. Research shows audiences are usually focused on learning the content, not judging the speaker. So we didn't fear what others think. Practical strategies to regain control and confidence. Practical self-compassion. Practice self-compassion. Use international kind self-talk. It's okay to pause. Mistakes are part of learning. And take a deep breath. Trust yourself. Sorry. Treat yourself like you would a friend. Prepare with structure. Use response frameworks like the PREP method. Point, reason, example, point. The structure helps organize thoughts before speaking and provides a safety net when you freeze. Embrace the pause. Slow down, breathe deeply, and use intentional pause to emphasize points and calm nerves. Silence is powerful, not embarrassing. Acknowledge, acknowledge it. Acknowledge it. If you freeze, acknowledge it openly. I have gone blank. Bear with me a moment. Then continue. Vulnerability builds connection and respect with your audience. Moving forward, transforming fear into strength. How to move forward means we have to transform our fear into strength. First one, we treat we believe that we are not alone. Remember, 77% of people experience public speaking anxiety. This is one of the most common fears humans face. Shift your focus. Move from fear of judgment of sharing your message and contributing value. Your ideas matter more than perfect delivery. And we build gradual. Practice gradual exposure. Start small with low stakes situations. Build confidence incrementally and celebrate every bit of progress along the way. Our final thought every phase is a chance to learn resilience. Own your story, embrace the growth, and inspire others by showing them it's possible to overcome this fear. Thank you, everyone.